But I'm going to say I am a school food service director. Write me an email that informs, let's say, informs parents of my students about our move to scratch cooking. I want to explain to them how it's healthier for our students, but we could use more volunteers. Additionally, I want to tease that we plan to participate in the farm to school lunch program. So let's have it give an output here. And it's fast. It's really fast. So it's saying, dear families, I'm thrilled to share some exciting news about what's happening in our school cafeteria. Um, for something like this, it could take at least for me, I'm not a great writer. This could take me a long time to come up with. For something like this, it gives me a starting point. So now I can tweak it. And it's super helpful for things like that, where you're just like, hey, help me generate some content. And then you can fill it in. You could either fill it in or you can follow up with it and say, let's adjust the tone, let's add some dates, and it's just going to keep iterating on it. And so that's the part I'm kind of hitting on here a bit is unlike Google or something where you just hit it once, this you can reply and have it change for you.